Good morning, guys. Good morning. Got me somewhat of a great cup of coffee. I didn't have time to come in and make it myself. And again, whoever made it, they didn't make sure the filter was placed in the filter cup correctly. So when it made the coffee, of course, all the coffee grounds start running into the pot of coffee. But the guy that made it said, "Hey, I make the fresh pot of coffee." Okay, but this it's full of coffee grounds. So I don't know. I don't get it. Okay, guys. So as you can tell, I kind of got a cold. I caught this cold over the weekend. It's like a congestion, nasal cold. I don't know. It's weird. I just caught it all of a sudden. But anyway, I'm gonna try to do this real quick. Let me get one more cup of coffee. All right. So AMC. AMC is above the closing price from last week. Okay. It did shoot down. Now it's in the process. It was up pre-market a lot, pretty much. It was like way up here, 94. I think was it 94? Yeah, it was 94. Then it shot down a couple of points, and went back up, and now it's trying to pull back down. Let's look at Ape. Ape is pushing all the way down. Excuse me. Ape is pushing down. And it's down 1.3%. AMC is up 41%. Let's go ahead and go back over here. Let's go look at the Qs if I can find it real quick. I'm gonna look at this. So the Q is up 1.58%, and it's way above what it closed at last week. The Q right here is up 0.64%. Over here, the SPY is up 32%, and it looked like it's trying to push up. Okay, the SPY is pushing up. It looked like a lot of things is probably above its high from last week, because last Thursday and Friday was kind of some crazy days. It was a bunch of selling off. A lot of downside was coming, and I kind of expected that, especially with AMC. Let's go back over. And there were some positions that I sold out. I sold out of some of my positions to make some other moves. Okay. Excuse me, I got a cough. Excuse me. Okay, so my prediction for AMC. Okay, so my prediction for AMC. This is what I think. A lot of people is off of work because of the game, right? Does it mean the market's going to slow down? Probably not. Okay, probably not. Because the market's going to keep moving. It's going to keep doing what it's doing. A lot of people that sold off on Friday, most likely they're going to see what the market do today. They're watching it probably right now up until the opening and see what kind of moves it's going to make. Is it going to push up or down? What I think AMC is probably going to have a nice little run up to real close to the $5 mark. Yeah, I think it's going to run up to about $5, probably a little bit higher, and then it may pull back over to here. It's possible that it could pull back over to here, 470. Okay, if it pulls, turn it off. If it pulls back over to 470, come on now, if it pulls back over to 470 right here and it doesn't hold, it's going to come down even lower than 470 to like 465, 466, somewhere around there. That's on the low end. Okay, low prediction 466 for AMC. The high, I think it could get up to the $5 mark. If not, it may be even like 515, somewhere around there. That's my price prediction. But the way the SPY is looking, look like it's trying to push up. So if AMC really follows the market like it's supposed to, then we could see AMC get to like 530. Okay, 530. So that's my price prediction for AMC. The high is, I think it can get up to about 530 today. The low, what did I say? What did I say? 460, is that what I said? Excuse me, guys. This cold is like kicking my butt. 470. If not, it may come It may go even lower if it doesn't hold that spot. So that's my price prediction. There's a lot of things that's going on with AMC, okay? People are expecting, like it's being said that AMC could squeeze before a certain date. You guys probably know what date I'm talking about, okay? And you know, with this stock split, reverse stock split, the Ape converting to AMC shares, you know, all those things that are going on, people thinking that it's going to run prior to that, okay? But this is what I've learned. Keep in mind, you hear these things like this, that, oh, it's going to run prior to this. And for me, it's like hearing something, like someone's trying to tell you to do something, like trying to tell you, you better buy in before it runs up. And then those people that usually say that, they tend to sell off. They're riding the hype. They're helping the hype run up, when probably they know for a fact that it's more of a hype FOMO buying, and they're going to just ride the wave and sell off way before the date, okay? These are my thoughts. And they're saying the squeeze is going to happen. Some people even said the squeeze was going to happen before a certain date. I mean, I don't think the squeeze is going to happen before a certain date, okay? I think there may be a slight run up, but most people are probably going to be selling off because they've been through this cycle before. Me personally, I'm not expecting a squeeze by March, okay? Not by March. I always predicted if it was a real nice run up or a squeeze type run up, I've always said April, because I have my reasons why I said April, and I have my price target where I think AMC needs to be at before the shorts really start covering and the squeeze happens. I already said it in prior videos, so you have to go back and look at that. But I think it's more of a hype thing right now, and people want people to buy in to run up so they can sell. This is what I think, okay? But that's about it. You see it's trying to push down right now. So I'm waiting on another position. I believe when it gets down a little bit lower, I'm going to buy some more shares. I bought a few shares with just some money I had left on Robinhood. So I just used it to buy AMC shares. See, it's acting really crazy right now. But once it does its thing, I'm going to buy more shares when it drops back down, okay? I don't know how much more, but I have some on another brokerage account like TD Ameritrade. I think I have a few on Webull. I'm not sure. I think I do, yeah. But that's about it, guys. Let's keep an eye on the market. I hope I can get over this cold soon. And AMC is doing some wild movements. You see that? I mean, it's crazy. All right, guys, I have to go. Let's keep an eye on the market, and I'll see you in the midday. If AMC does some wacky moves, I'll see you in the midday. All right, guys, take care. Peace.